So we're gonna be wrapping this Model 3, this one right here. Check out that in the description below. But we want to wrap it really well, so we need to remove these trim pieces. You're gonna need to pop it off from the back first. Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah, have Chris. Okay, so you hold it up a little bit, and then Chris will just go and...
Oh, okay.
So it's easier to do this with a friend. If you don't have a friend, that's totally fine. You can do it by yourself. You just gotta be a little bit careful because these black pieces are plastic, so they can bend super easily. If you're watching the video, you're gonna want to pull up from the back, make sure that's already lifted off, and then use one hand or a friend's hand and go along in front and slowly pull it off the groove. There's no clips, there's no screws for this bottom part. It just sits on a groove. It's a metal groove, and you don't want to bend the plastic, so you're just going to want to pull that up consistently until you get to the front where all of it's off. There might be adhesive or some lint in here, so it's a great opportunity to clean this if you want to.
You can see there's a bit of rubber for the weather stripping, and it literally just sits on here. No adhesive, nothing. It literally just sits on this metal part. There's no clips or anything. That's super easy to get out. Okay, wrap still looks pretty good.
I got the initial up.
Right. So now you just gotta follow him.
Oh, the director's chair.
I know, for real.
It's little bit kids need to...
That's right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go. Make sure you're... Remember, because he said it bends.
Gentle pressure.
Yeah.
So this is a great example of what not to do. Our second friend should have been pulling it up with our first friend. You can see that it's bent right here. You don't want the plastic to bend like that. Thankfully, it wasn't an issue for us, but you could damage your trim doing it like this way, leaving it bent for so long.
There we go. You're gonna kind of do the opposite way you took it off. So the front side is gonna go down first. You're gonna push it down, leading all the way to the back.
I think it has to like snap with pressure. Excellent, excellent. Beautiful.
At 10 p.m., okay, it's actually 10:01, but 10 p.m. sounds cooler. We are pounding in the exterior weather sealing, weather panel, whatever you want to call it, side panel. And hooray! We've done the doors. Look at these. They look so good. You want to make sure that the black is on very well, otherwise it's going to stand out because it is your exterior trim. It's the only thing that's really bordering your windows. The hinges on the Model 3 were creaking when they were doing that a little bit, so if you really want to press fully down on this, which you should to push it all the way back in, try to do it with the door latched. That way it's reinforced not only on the side, but over there as well. Chris, look at this. It's not aligned right here.
We got lucky the other door with one go.
So I think we need to pull it out. Damn.
Hopefully this plastic is not bent.
Shouldn't be. Remember, pull kind of towards you and up. There you go.
Towards that way. Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Like I did it.
Okay. See if it rests.
Door inside.
Tiny bit out.
Door inside.
Okay. I think it's too far.
No, that looks good on this side.
Good? Okay. Let's do it that side.
Oh, there we go. Woo! Woo! Heck yeah, that was it. Within spec.